Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The first section we have is the WBS. WBS mainly can color the Excel to be look like the P6 and make the grouping. Let's start with the P6. Make sure you have activity name and activity ID, and all the activity ID, it must be combination from numbers and text. I will select now all, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and then in cell A1, Ctrl V. Let's try now standard coloring, WBS coloring. It worked perfect. Also, you can group it from here. This grouping, it will look like the P6, and we have limitation here, 8 levels is Excel limitation. If you need more layout for this coloring, this is a pro feature. If you already activate the license, you can click here WBS coloring. If you don't have layout yet, you can from this one add new, let's call it project 1, and I will keep these colors. Save. First time it will ask you to locate the layout path, and we will select in the document. Okay, save layout. Give it like 2-3 seconds till it saves the file. Then again WBS coloring. Here you can find project 1, and this is the color for this layout. If you click run, it will run perfect. But if you need to add another layout, easy, you can go there and write here project 2. And I will change this one to red, for example, then save. Maybe you will not find it here. Again, give it another 2-3 seconds. Open WBS coloring. You will find project 2. Run. But if you need to change the color for project 1, easy again, go there, select from here project 1, and I like this one, for example, something obvious. Save, and I will select project 1, run. It will run perfect. Copy to last, this additional option free. You can, if you have another sheet and you need to, for example, copy this progress from here to the last column, you can simply click copy to last, select the sheet, which is book 1, this one, and I need to copy to sheet 2. Select the column, okay. Let's do it again. If we have another week, from here, copy to last, select, and select the column, and another. No need to go through all the files. If you have another Excel, like this one, book 2, let's try again. I will select, copy to last, book 2, sheet 1, select, okay. Now if you open book 2, you will find this is the first section. Thank you.